Good morning. Let us move to the next method of conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. We are given a number in decimal number system and we are asked to convert it into octal number system. The method used is just similar to double-double method. Method is just similar to double-double method. The only difference is that here we shall divide the given decimal number by 8 successively till we get the quotient equal to 0. The division will be integer division. For example, you are given 76 in decimal and asked to convert it into octal. Let us start. Quotient, remainder. Remember that this division is integer division. There won't be any fractional part. Eight nines are 72. What left? 4 will be remainder. 9 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. What left? Remainder 1. 1 by 8. Quotient 0. Remainder 1. Okay. This will be MSB. This will be LSD. MSD. Most significant digit. Least significant digit. And this is nothing but 114 in octal number system. 76 in decimal number system is 114 in octal number system. This is the simple method of converting decimal number to octal number. Let us go for one more example, and let us suppose the example is let us convert this 157 divided by 8 quotient remainder. 8 ones are 8. 7 is left, 77. 8 nines are 72. Remainder is 5. 8 ones are 8. 15 minus 8, 7. 7 is taken, 77. 8 nines are 72. 77 minus 72, 5. Quotient 19, remainder 5. 19 divided by 8. Again, integer division. 8 twos are 16. Remainder 3. 16 plus 3, 19. Now, 2 divided by 8. Quotient 0. Remainder 2. This is MSD. This is LSD. And therefore, 157 in decimal will be 235 in octal number system. Actually, we can go for many more such examples, but I think it is sufficient. You practice more examples and convert the decimal numbers to octal numbers. Next one is reverse of this. octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion. How to convert octal numbers to decimal numbers? The method used here is sum of weight method. Here I have given examples of integral part only. You can also go for the fractional part. While going for the fractional part, what you have to do? Instead of dividing by 8, you have to multiply this by 8. And it should be continued till you get the fractional part in the final step. As we did it in earlier methods, while converting decimal to binary. Now, octal to decimal. Let us suppose that you are given some octal number and you are asked to convert this to decimal. Write this number here: 7, 6, 2. Okay, then 2 into 8 to the power 0 plus 6 into 8 to the power 2 plus 7 into 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2. This is equal to 7 into 8 8 is 64 plus 6 into 8 plus 2 into 1. This is equal to 7 4 is 28, carry 2, 7 6 is 42, 42 plus 2 44, 8 6 is 48 plus this 2. So this is equal to 498 in decimal. 762 in octal is 498 in decimal. Let us go for some other example. Seven 7.77 in octal converted to decimal. 7 into 8 to the power 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0 plus 7 into 8 to the power minus 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power minus 2. The calculation will become more complex, so to save the time, let me use here 77.7. This is equal to 7 8 is 56, 8 to the power 0 1, 7 1 is 7 plus 7 into 10 to the power minus 1, 7 by 8, 0. 8 8 is 62, 64, 6 left, it will become 60, 8 7 is 56, 4 left, 40, 8 5 is 40. So this is 63.875 in decimal. This way we can go for conversion of any octal number to decimal number. You can go for many more examples. practice such conversions. And the next method is octal to binary conversion. You are given numbers in octal, you have to convert this in binary. Let us see how to convert. Very simple. Convert every digit of given octal number by a group of 3 bits equivalent of binary. Convert each digit of given octal number by a group of 3 bits of binary. Let us see how. Write 7, 6, 3, decimal octal point 7, 7. What is 7 in binary? 1, 1, 1. What is 6 in binary? 1, 1, 0. What is 3 in binary? 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. And therefore, this is in binary is 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. Point 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So this number in octal when converted to binary is this. Let us go for few more examples. Six, 7, 6, octal point 2, 1. Every digit is to be replaced by 3-bit binary equivalent. 6, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, binary point 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And so this is nothing but 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, binary point 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is nothing but the binary equivalent of given octal number. Actually, it is just a child's play. If you want, I can go for more and more examples, but I hope you understood how to convert octal number to binary number. It's very, very simple. Then reverse of this, binary to octal conversion. Binary to octal. The procedure is very simple. What to do? Write the binary number given. Given binary number is written. Okay, then start from the binary point. First towards left. Start making group of 3 bits. 3 bits 3 bits, 3 bits, 3 bits. Move from binary point to left. At the last, if you short of forming group of 3 bits by 1 or by 2 bits, just add those number of zeros to the leftmost position in the integral part. After that, go to right from the binary point. Again start making group of 3 bits. If you are short of making group of 3 bit, add required number of zeros to the right side. This is the simple procedure for conversion of binary to octal. Let us go for few examples. You are given this number. Now make group of 3 bits from the binary point. 1, 2, 3. Only 1 is left here. Add 2 zeros to the left position. After that, 1, 2, add 1 0. Replace every bit by its octal equivalent. 0 0 1, 1 in octal, 6 in octal, 7 in octal, 3 in octal, octal point, 7 in octal, 2 in octal. So if this is the given binary number, its octal equivalent is this. Let us go to some other example. Start from the binary point. 1 1 0, 1 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 7 0 7 6, octal point 7 7. This is the octal equivalent of given binary number. What to do for conversion of binary to octal? Start from the binary point. For integral part, move towards left and make group of 3 bits starting from the binary point till you reach at MSB. If you are short of 1 or 2 digits, add those number of zeros to the left. For fractional part, start from binary point towards right side. Again make group of 3 bits at a time till you reach to the LSB. If you are short of 1 or 2 bits to form a group of 3 bits at LSB, add those number of zeros to the right side in the fractional part. Then replace each group of 3 bits by its octal equivalent, this way to get the octal equivalent of given binary number. So this is about 4 different types of conversions we talked here. Remaining conversions we shall talk in the later lecture. Hope you got it. Thank you.